Hey guys, what's up? This is the Reza from Team AA, and today we are doing the unboxing and the initial review for the Honor 7X. I know I'm kinda late for this video, but I guess it's okay because the phone was just now released in Pakistan and I got the 3 gigs variant. As you can see, the full specification on the box, and on the front you get the warranty card on the top. So let's do it. So I would like to apologize because I don't have any stabilizer or the tripod right now, so you might get a kind of shaky video.
Taking trips cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart, they say you're
the plastic of the box, and now we are going to open the seals of this device, and we have got this a big giant plastic casing on the top, which we are going to remove and get our product. So as you can see, I've wrapped off that one too, and we have got the warranty card on the top. And let's just open the box and see what's inside there. Kind of crumbling and shaking. I'm really sorry for this, but I don't have any tripod. I'm recording this from one-handed. And here we see devices on the top, like typical Huawei Honor devices. And here you see the warranty stickers here, and what's inside the box is, I guess, quick start guide and the silicone casing for protection of your device. It's a great step from Huawei for including the silicone case in the box, because we don't get the covers of these devices pretty soon actually. So let's move on to what's inside else. And here we got the accessories. Here is the standard 2.0 micro USB cable, and here is the 5V 2A charger, which is not fast charging. This device doesn't support any sort of fast charging, and you see a type 2.0 instead of a type C. The headphones seem to be a little better than I have seen in other mid-range devices, because they include more bass than actual. I pre-tested these headphones before. It comes with many other Honor devices. So let's boot it on and see what we got there. Here on a logo on the top, powered by Android. Let's see. To be fair, honest, that device is so beautiful and the weight is too good on this device. So as the other Honor devices, this got a pretty fast fingerprint and pretty accurate one. So let's test out how it performs in our speed test of fingerprint. So I have done the setup, I've gone through the Emotion UI setup, and let's just check the fingerprint speed of this device. So by default you don't get a app drawer in this one. And here we see, whoa, it's fast, it's so fast. I've seen this in Oppo and the Huawei devices, and obviously the OnePlus. They're pretty fast. So this was my initial review for the Honor 7X and the unboxing video. Stay tuned for its full review and the speed test again about Honor 9i.